Tusk Tusk by David McKee. Long ago, all elephants were either black or white, and each kept to their own side of the jungle. This book was first published in Great Britain in 1978. Once all the elephants in the world were black or white. They loved all creatures, but they hated each other, and each kept to his own side of the jungle. One day, the black elephants decided to kill all the white elephants, and the white ones decided to kill all the black. The peace-loving elephants from each side went to live deep in the darkest jungle. They were never seen again. A battle began. It went on. And on and on. Until all the elephants were dead. For years, no elephants were seen in the world. Then, one day, the grandchildren of the peace-loving elephants came out of the jungle. They were grey. Since then, the elephants have lived in peace. But recently, the little ears and the big ears have been giving each other strange looks.